I'm Jeff Chandler for the events calendar. Meetup.com uses a two-letter code to store country names, which is why you'll see US when importing an event from Meetup into the events calendar. However, the events calendar needs the full name to be saved. In this video, we'll show you how to use a code snippet that's available on the events calendar knowledge base that correctly imports events using the full country name. Before we add the code snippet to our website, we first had to install a code snippet plugin. So first, let's browse to Plugins, Add New. Then we're going to search for Code Snippets in the WordPress plugin directory. And it should be the first result. In this case, it is. It's Code Snippets by Code Snippets Pro. I've already installed and activated the plugin, which you'll need to do the same. Once it's installed and activated, you'll see a new menu icon over here for snippets. Hover over that and click Add New. We're going to name this snippet Meetup Country Code Fix. And now we're going to browse to the knowledge base article titled Fix the Country Name when Importing from Meetup, because that's where the code snippet is. We're going to select all of the code inside of here, copy it, and this is where you want to be careful because the Code Snippets plugin already automatically adds the PHP beginning part of the code snippet. So you'll want to make sure you remove that when you paste in the code from the knowledge base article, or else you'll have an error. Once the code snippet is in place, make sure to set it to run the snippet everywhere. Click the Save Changes and Activate button, and this will activate the code snippet. Note that in order to import events from Meetup into the events calendar, you'll need an active license key for Event Aggregator, which is a premium add-on. Once that is installed, we're going to browse to Events, Import. We're going to select Meetup from the import origin. And at this point, if you haven't connected your website to meetup.com, you'll see a prompt here or a modal. There'll be a button that you click. You'll have to go through a process to connect the site with meetup.com. Usually it's a pretty straightforward process. Once that's done, it'll load you back to this page. Then for this example, we're going to do a one-time import so we can see how this works. And then what you're going to do is go on meetup.com and look for a URL of a meetup that takes place in a physical location. So I have one here. And once the URL is added, we're going to click on the preview button. All of this information right here is correct. So we're going to click the Import All button. Then we're going to click on the View Your Event Venues. Look for the event venue. The event's taking place. In this case, it's Panera Bread. And what we'll see down here below for venue information, you'll notice that in the country area, it shows the full code, country code of the United States. And since it's applicable to us in the United States, it also shows the state, which is Ohio. And if we take a look at this event on the front end, we'll see that it also shows Ohio. If we did not use this code snippet, we would end up seeing a lowercase u and a lowercase s, which is incorrect. But because we use the code snippet, we see the full country code of the United States. Note that the team is aware of this bug, and a fix will be coming soon. If you run into any issues importing events from meetup.com into the events calendar, please contact our support team.